Alrighty, you goofy goobers, let's get started. With Egypt Air already in S, Air China, A. Allegiant is pretty good, S. Austrian, A. Emirates, S. Ethiopian, I don't know. Well, I mean, whatever I do, I'm going to start a controversy, so I'll put it in S. Etihad, S. SAS, well, that's a B. Alaska, I have no idea to what happened to. Oh, there it is. Air Korea is in C. Alaska is in B. Ow. Ow? What does that mean? There we go. Alright, so Lufthansa, Air Canada, Aeroflot's next. Aeroflot's, yeah, A. American Air France, B. New Zealand, not the country, the airline. PEA, A, because there's an A. Whoa, wait a minute. What's on that flag? You guys see that? I'll show it to you. Yeah, that's a little... Nope. I'll show you why. Zoom in. Nope. Zoom out. Curse my hands. Alright, erase that. Zoom in more. Israel. And we all know what happened to Israel. That's an F. Deep down in F. Qantas, S. British Airways, S. China Eastern, A. Copa. Hey United, can I copy your homework? Copa, sure. Oh no, United. Hey United, can I copy your homework? Yeah, it's just a copy of United. Philippine, yeah, it's good. African A, kind of looks like Palestine, so, you know. Where is Palestinian Airlines? Where is that? EasyJet, B, it's actually pretty underrated. Finnair, Singapore, what is going on with my, there we go. Singapore is S, because it's literally the best airline out there. Spirit, well, yeah, no explaining. What the, I was actually going to change this to a garbage can, but I didn't want to. Aero Mexico. C. Eva Air C. Saudia S. I don't know what that says, but it's C. Guardia Indonesia, I think. Is that what it is? There we go. I don't know this one. JAL, yeah, S. KLM, S. Where's Pan Am, though? I'm looking for Pan Am. But there's no Pan Am. So, okay. There, Lufthansa again, I guess. Yeah, it's right there. So, Lufthansa's logo, I guess? I mean, it's S. I really like the logo. Northwest? I don't know. South something. I don't know. I'll know that. That's Aer Lingus. I see Qatar. I see Norwegian, which is kind of like Northwest, but no care. No one cares. Alright. Cathay Pacific. Yeah, you're going where Cathay Pacific belongs. S. I don't know what that is, but it's S. Norwegian S. Qatar S. Oh, Swiss, just because of this one thing, okay? Swiss 001. You're going all the way to the top of S tier. Before Egypt Air, of course. Because Egypt Air is the best airline. Oh, hey, there's Lufthansa again. Oh, there it is again. Anyway, TAP Airline, TAP Indonesia, Turkish, yeah, you're okay. United, oh, well, we don't even need to talk about that. So you're going straight in S. If this will work. There we go. Ryanair, you know Ryanair is actually a little underrated for their actual landings. I mean, it's a B. China North, I think. North China, I don't know. Frontier, because of the animals. It's gone where Ryan is. Oh, no, before Ryan. No, in Ryan. JetBlue, we don't even need to talk about JetBlue. JetBlue, go all the way down. Finnair, go there. JetBlue, go straight in the garbage can of F tier. And Virgin Atlantic, yeah, you know where you're going. And my phone is dying on me, so Yahoo! Anyway, yeah, put that there. And put that there. There we go, and now we're good. Finished. Thai, you go there. If your airline wasn't on here, please tell me in the comments and I will do another one. But right now, I'm going back to bed. Goodbye, guys.